Hello my friend and welcome back to Quiz Factory. In today's video we'll play Find the Odd Number and Letter, along with many other interesting quizzes. We've prepared 40 questions and you have 10 seconds to answer. For each correct answer you'll get 1 point. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel. And 3, 2, 1, let's get started. Get ready with the easy level. Question 1. Can you find the odd soccer ball? Great start, the odd soccer ball's here, in the third row. Question 2. Let's find the odd letter B. Well done, it's located in the first row. Question 3. Next, test your memory. Remember the position of all emojis. Where's the book emoji located? Excellent, the book emoji's in the 6th position. Question 4. Guess the YouTuber by emoji. Perfect, it's Ninja Kids TV. You did great.
Get up, don't waste another day, just head up.
Question 5. Can you find the odd gamepad? Very good. Question 6. Let's find the odd number 2. Time's up. Let's check out the answer. The odd number 2 is here. Question 7. Who's singing this song?
Somehow you think you're the king. Like my subject, you cower. You got nothing on girl power.
Excellent, that song's by Salish Matter.
Somehow you think you're the king. Like my subject, you cower. You got nothing on girl power.
Question 8. Which King Pharaoh is real? Good job! Picture C is the correct answer. Question 9. Can you find the odd crown? Have you found it yet? It's here. Question 10. Which YouTuber sings better?
Somehow you think you're the king. Like my subject, you cower. You got nothing on girl power.
Drama, there will be nobody in my life just like you.
Who do you think sings better? Please leave your answer in the comments. Let's move to the medium level. Question 11. Can you show me the odd Smurf cat? So well, it's located in the 2nd row. Question 12. Where's the odd number? You're great, the odd number 6 is here. Question 13. Remember the position of all emojis. Where's Freddy Fazbear located? That's right, it's located at the number 4 position. Question 14. Guess the meme by Emoji. It's Skibbity Toilet Grimace. You're amazing! Question 15. Can you find the odd grimace? Have you found it yet? The odd grimace is here. Question 16. Where's the odd letter Q? Fantastic! It's located in the final row. Question 17. Who's dancing?
Tick tock, tick tick tick, boom boom. Tick tock, tick tick, boom.
Of course, that girl Lele's the correct answer.
Tick tock, tick tick tick, boom boom. Tick tock, tick tick, boom.
Question 18. Which Peyton Delu's correct? Nice, Picture B's the correct answer. You're so good! Question 19. Can you find the odd dancer emoji? Good job! It's located in the second row. Question 20. Which YouTuber dances better?
Tick tock, tick tick tick, boom boom. Tick tock, tick tick, boom.
I'm drunk in the back of the car, and I cried like a baby coming home from the bar.
Who do you think dances better? Leave your answers in the comments. Next is the hard level. I believe you can do it. Question 21. Can you find the odd Wednesday? You're great! The odd Wednesday's in the third row. Question 22. Where's the odd letter? Wonderful! It's located in the final row. Question 23. Guess the Disney movie by Emoji. Perfect, that's the movie Toy Story. Question 24. Remember the position of all emojis. Where's the astronaut emoji located? That's right, it's located at the number 5 position. Question 25. Can you find the odd one? Amazing! It's located in the second row. Question 26. Where's the odd letter? You're so great! It's located in the first row. Question 27. Can you guess the correct emoji? Exactly, picture A is the correct answer. Question 28. What's the name of this YouTuber? That's for sure, it's Young Dylan.
Go shawty, it's your birthday. We gon' party.
Question 29. Can you find the odd one? Have you found it yet? It's here. Question 30. Salish Matter and Nadal Wonder versus Young Dylan and Lele. Which couple do you like more?
Everybody shipping us, wanna know it's true. Everybody shipping us. Young Dylan, top villain, Lele. I know he's.
Which couple are you a fan of? Leave your answer in the comments. The last one is the impossible level. Question 31. Can you find the odd Santa Claus hat? Very good. It's located in the final row. Question 32. Where's the odd letter? Have you found it yet? The odd letter's here. Question 33. Remember the position of all flags. Where's the Argentinian flag located? Good job! The Argentinian flag's located at the number 8 position. Question 34. Now it's time for you to find 3 differences in the 2 pictures. Time's up! Let's check the answer. How many differences did you find? Question 35. Which meme is this? Haha, so funny! And it's Freddie Rickroll. Question 36. Can you find the number 6 in this series of numbers? Come on, guys! Number 6 is located here. Question 37. Where's the odd letter? Nice! Have you found it yet? It's here, in the final row. Question 38. Who's singing?
We're gonna keep it on going till we can't go no more.
Amazing! That song's by Jack Sky.
We're gonna keep it on going till we can't go no more.
Question 39. Which Nadal Wonder is correct? Bravo! Good answer! It's picture B. Question 40. Which YouTuber sings better?
We're gonna keep it on going till we can't go no more. Little girl, that's your whole brand. thinking that's an excuse for you to hold my.
I think they all sing well, but who do you think sings better? Leave your answer in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Quiz Factory channel for more fun challenges like this, and see you in the next video.